What's up, Bell and Dr. Grissom? I'm going to be showing the game app today. I'm using my phone to record me and talk, and I have to merge the videos once I get it uploaded to my computer because I don't have my mic with me. So, as you can see here on the right-hand side of my screen, here's the card game app. We have it completed. Minus that out now and kind of really get the focus on the code a little bit. It was nice to kind of take a break from databases and server stuff, which is pretty cool. Pretty much to start, we have our card width, card height. It's so that way we could have 4 cards on each of the screen, and it's getting the card width and making sure that it's able to be utilized on any type of phone. Here's all of our styling. This is the column offset, so this is used for the animation. So that way we could kind of get it to spread out in like a diagonal from the center, which you'll see in a moment. This is our clear timeout, and then this is kind of like what we are rendering a little bit here within the card class. We have the on press, the image, and the is visible props. We display our image with it being normal. We also have the is visible boolean here, so if it's not visible, it shows the back card of the backing. We also have our animated styles, which is getting the offset, which is again spreading it out in like an X kind of formation. And then we have that return our touchable opacity, which is the cards and the animated styling that goes along with it. And then we also have our get row offset, which is kind of doing the same thing, which is used for the animation of putting the cards into the rows. So pretty much what it does is that it starts off with an opacity of 0 when the animation first starts, and then it's there. We have our component did mount, which kind of uses a lot of this animation stuff where we have duration to get it to spread out. So we're waiting this long before it starts, and then it goes to the correct spots on the rows that they're in. Excuse me. And then here's again more of the animated stuff and getting returned for the row component or row class. So now we have our initial state, which has our data, our move count, our selected indices, the current image, and then the matched pairs. So pretty much what this is going to do is if we have the or when the component mounts and we get the initial state, it's going to pretty much draw, so it's going to set up the cards. Then did update, this is checking to see if the game is complete. So if we've pushed enough pairs into the matched pairs array, we will know that the game is complete, and an alert will pop up saying you're a winner. It'll show the move count and how much you completed it, and then it'll have the reset game, which resets the initial state, or resets the state to the initial state, and then redraws the card. So the draw function gets the possible cards and the selected cards, which is blank. It'll randomly get any cards from the 52 card deck, and it makes sure that there's no doubles as well. There's 2 of each card that are put in there, so I guess quadruples is what I meant to say. And yeah, so whenever we put a card onto the field, we're removing it from the possible cards array. That way we can't get the 2 sets of the same card. Now we have our data, which we are kind of getting like the row map and getting the images. We have our set state, we're handling the card press next, where we have our selected indice of the array, the current image, the match pairs, and the move count that's getting passed in. And then we have our next state, which is blank. So yeah. So when we select more than one card, when we select the second one, it'll either reset it, or if it's a matched pair, it'll add it to the matched pairs array and make sure that the images are still showing. And yeah, and then we get down here to the rendering, where it's rendering all the cards and pretty much rendering the rest of the application within the save area. Excuse me. It's so dark outside, it's kind of tiring. So yeah, here's the app. I'm gonna run through it. So try to match some of these pairs. I was doing good earlier with this. I was on a roll, getting like most of them right. So we have the queens here. As you can kind of see that if you get it wrong, the cards go flip back over. Here's the alert saying that you've completed the puzzle in 22 moves. And if I click reset the game, it'll wait a second and it'll kind of branch itself out. So yeah, that is the game app, and I'm going to try to figure out a way to upload this. Thank you. Bye-bye.